All right, so quick update on this motor. We've been pulling some caps off and looking at the bearings and stuff, and we've decided that...
Ta-da!
Oh. Yeah, we decided that we're going to take this entire thing all the way apart, clean everything that we can, determine which bearings it needs, and then go from there. But right now, we're taking it further apart than we really wanted to. But, you know, we don't want to go through all this effort and money and time and then have it, you know, have an issue. So it's best to be safe than sorry. So, yeah, I don't know. Yes, we have lots of pieces of trash. So,
I'm gonna play with a dumbbell right now.
What's that? Oh, the little...
It's a divert oil.
Oh, the little... Okay.
Yeah, it's an oil
That's right
diverter,
there.
but everyone calls it a dumbbell because that's what it looks like.
All right, well, I hope it pops out easy.
Yeah, me too.
Otherwise...
Got a mini suction cup?
I don't. But, yeah, we could drill a tiny hole in the back end of it and stick a screw in it. But, yeah, I mean, the bearings didn't look awful, but they had a couple little gouges here and there that we could feel. The bearing in the cap did look a little funky. So, yeah, just
use scoring.
Yeah. So, like I said, just to be safe versus sorry, we're going to...
Have we told them what we're doing with the motor yet?
You had mentioned something about it, but I don't think that video's up yet.
Okay. Should we take that out of that video and leave it a secret?
I could nuke it, but yeah.
Okay, well then we're not going to say. There's a reason we're making sure that this motor is not going to have oiling issues or any excessive wear, and that will be to come then, because that'll be a nice little surprise. On why.
For who and whose pocketbook, I don't know.
Yeah, someone's pocketbook. I'd love to keep it, but I have this project that needs a LS-based engine.
Yes.
I haven't decided what size yet. You can go 4.8 all the way to 7.0. I don't know yet.
By the way, we never really did an update on this car.
No, here, black out the license plate.
Yeah, with a little blurry so some psycho doesn't track you down.
Yeah, right.
But yeah, obviously it's on the road, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
A couple of days now. It's fun.
Right
I got
on.
it up to 55 miles per hour.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Iconic. Next is what, 88? See if I go back in time or not.
But you need 1.21 gigawatts for that.
Oh, I've got plenty of gigawatts.
I am here at the shop. Charles isn't quite here yet, but we pressure washed this engine, cleaner, degreaser on it best we could. We're probably going to take this by the machine shop to have a couple small things done to it. In the meanwhile, I'm over here trying to clean up these heads, and they are pretty scunge. A lot of buildup, a lot of junk. So what I'm doing is I'm just using the engine degreaser spray, and then like one of these green pads and this little scrub brush. It's working okay so far, but like I said, there's a lot of buildup. So we'll see how it goes and show you the final result. It's going to take a lot of elbow grease. Might break out a little scraper. Try to get some of these bigger chunks of the former gasket off there. But otherwise, it's just a lot of buildup. Just needs to be thoroughly cleaned. Yes!
It still did it.
Yeah! Yeah, see, this is not the right way to do this.
Do not try this at home.
Let's demonstrate all the wrong ways. But yeah, we're trying to take this front end assembly apart because it's absolutely filthy, and we've got brand new everything for the front end. But instead of taking the wheels off, taking the ball joints off, and releasing the spring and everything, we just...
Did you just drop my drill?
I sure didn't. It was
drill.
fate. It was fate, brother. instead of doing that, we decided to just like unbolt everything and let it all just fall apart. And of course the springs are under pressure on the A-arms.
You know why we're not doing it?
Huh.
Because we ain't using a single thing from it.
Except for the cross member.
Well, yeah, but that's what we're getting to.
Right.
But we're not using the wheels.
It's like almost everything up front except for that cross member is gone. So yeah, we definitely need to clean all this. But yeah, that was exciting because
oh, we ain't done yet.
so that bolt is holding some tension, some serious tension from that spring.
Ready?
And hopefully that spring doesn't.
Oh shoot!
You know what it looks like? It looks almost like a cartoon car that falls and then the wheels
like
splay out.
At the end when a car's dead tired,
Right.
it's like it's like
That's what it looks like.
Oh, that is
All right.
so awesome.
This is how we do
we
it.
got it on recording?
Yeah,
Yes.
I think it's recording. Yeah, this is how we do it. Let me take a picture. Oh man, that was fun. So it came off.
A few moments later.
A few, yeah, just a few. I mean, we had to do a little hammering, a little prying, a little lifting on the truck body. But yeah, it's free. It is free. I'm as free as a bird. Something like that?
No.
Cool.